So the scene is very emotional. Alex, Mrs. Hathaway really doesn't want her husband to keep investigating these Sony movies.
I know. We read it. We get it.
God, I'm distracted. Martin, get in position. You need to reassure her. Wait, do you know what reassure her means?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we're gonna shoot on Alex's side first. Okay, Preston, so a few seconds after I say action, I want you to walk over to the payphone. You know, make the place look like it's busy. Hello, hello?
I know what that looks like.
Asshole! Could you stop blowing shit up for 2 seconds and deal with the camera?
God, sorry, man.
Okay, you guys, let's rehearse this. But remember, save the real performance for when we're filming. Here we go. Positions and action.
So I'm gonna stay here and investigate. I think it'd be safer if you left town for a couple of days.
John, I don't like it. This case, these murders.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Go to Michigan with you?
Mackinac Island's beautiful this time of year.
Sweetheart, this is my job.
The dead coming back to life. I think you're in danger.
I have no choice.
You do have a choice. We all do. John, I've never asked you to stop. Never asked you to give up or walk away. But I'm asking you now. Please. For me. Don't go. Don't leave me. I need you to know this isn't the last time I'm going to see you. I just love you so much.
Love you too.
Was that good?
Yeah, that was great. Production value! Gary, you put film in the camera, right? I didn't put it in. What? Put it in, Joe! Get the mic ready. Go! Get that tripod set up. Preston, get in position! I will. We don't miss it. Shut up! I'm trying! Leave that set up! Positions! Ready. Start filming. Be extra loud when the train passes by. Here we go. And action!
Look, I'm gonna stay here and investigate. I think it'd be safer if you left town for a couple of days.
John, I don't like it. This case, these murders.
What do you want me to do? Go